Hello, I would like to share with you the underlying principle of why people get sick. First, we need to know what makes us humans. We are made of a physical body and a spiritual soul. The physical body is made from physical material elements. Our soul is a non-physical entity. Our physical body becomes sick when our soul lacks energy. Our physical body needs food to maintain its bodily functions. The soul needs non-physical energy for its nutrition. That comes from words, as words are non-physical energy emanating from the soul. If you are sick, no matter what kind of illness it is, whether it is a common cold or cancer, if you are suffering in pain from any physical ailment, then you need to start listening to other people's words. You are sick because you are stubborn and do not listen to others. When you start to listen to other people's words, you are actually taking in the nutritional energy for your soul. When your soul absorbs nutrition from the words of other people, you will start to regain your spiritual power. Once your soul has gained sufficient energy, it will be able to replenish and heal your physical body. When you begin to listen to people's words, nature will give you a relationship with someone who will help you with your illness. Sickness forces you to seek help outside because you can't resolve the problem on your own. There exists nature's law. There is a reason why you become sick. Sickness occurs from a lack of spiritual energy. Spiritual energy is non-physical. Non-physical energy is transferred through words. Nature always provides us what we need through the words of people around us. If you are sick, ask yourself if you have been stubborn and suspicious of others and didn't listen. If you are sick, stop blaming others and be humble. Try listening to the words of those around you. Try listening to the words of wisdom. The highest form of energy in the universe is the truth, which is nature's law. God loves you always and provides spiritual medicine through the words of those around you. You have suffered long enough. Take courage and try something you have not done before. Give up your stubbornness and try listening to others' words, and you may be surprised at the result. Thank you for watching.